What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Cocktails with Ray. So today we're gonna go pre-summer. You know the summer's coming right around the corner, right? So I'm a big fan of Ciroc vodka and all the different flavors that they have, which I will be showing different drinks that I make with all their different flavors. But back to the matter in hand. I just found out that they have a brand new summer citrus Ciroc. Now guys, you're gonna notice, right? It's open. That's because me and the missus had to give it a try real quick to see what this is all about. Bought this earlier today. You're gonna see in the video when I went to pick it up at my local liquor store, my favorite, Total Wine. Shout out to Total Wine. So, just to tell you about this, the flavor is super on point. Very summery. It screams summer all the way around. Very citrusy, summer every day, all day, all right? So, like I told you guys, I like to come up with my own cocktail. So I'm gonna show you what I did with this bad boy right here, right? Check this out. So, in a tall glass, right, we have to put some ice in here, all right? Next ingredient, of course, some summer citrus Ciroc. Now, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna pour about 3 ounces here, guys. There you go. Next, anywhere from 4 to 5 ounces of cran pomegranate juice. Then a splash of some club soda right on the top. And guys, we're gonna finish this with a nice slice of orange. We're gonna give it just a minor quick stir just to get that going. Now guys, if this doesn't scream summer to you guys, I don't know what to tell you. Once you guys try this, you're gonna think you're already in July, June, summer bound. Keys, Mexico, Cabos, Bahamas, just tropics, that's it. So let's now give it a test. Oh yeah. You know what I forgot? A cruise. This is how I felt when I drank this drink right here that I just made. So guys, if I went too fast for you, right? You could always go down to my description box so you could get all the information, the measurements and everything about this cocktail that I made today. Might seem a little easier for me because I'm just used to doing everything off the rip. But always remember, you could always go to the description box and leave me a comment. I'll answer back any questions that you have, all right guys? Thanks. There you have it, guys. Another nice and easy cocktail made by who? Ray. Something that you can make at home. Believe me, there's nothing hard about making this cocktail. Nice and easy. That's how I like to do it. An enjoyable cocktail at home or at a party, barbecue, wherever you want to make this cocktail, all right? Now guys, thank you once again for visiting me and my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumb, leave a comment, hit the notification. Why? So you can get announced about my videos, so you can make more delicious cocktails at home. Thank you once again. I appreciate you guys. Peace.